guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Xenia and again I'm here with another product review from Lakme. So this is the Lakme face sheer and it's a very old product in the Indian market. It's not at all a newly launched product, and this is basically a face sheer which is basically a highlighter from Lakme, and it's been there from ages. And I got it recently because I got it from Amazon 50% off. Well, the MRP of this product is 400 rupees, and you just get 4 gram of product, which I think is really too less for 400 bucks. But okay, I got it for 200 rupees because there was some discount going on, 50% off. So it just comes in this cardboard packaging with no ingredient list mentioned whatsoever. And once you open the packaging, inside you would find the product, which just looks like this. So this is the Lakme face sheer. So this is what it looks like, and this is actually a highlighter, and I have used it on my face today. So this is not the highlighter which I used on my nose, I mean bridge of the nose, and on my forehead. That's from Sugar Palette, which is giving you the blinding effect. Now this particular highlighter is more giving you a natural kind of glow onto your face. If you see these parts of my face glowing, it's because of this highlighter. So if you omit the forehead and the nose portion, the bridge of my nose, if you omit from here to here, this is the Sugar Palette that I used, giving me a blinding effect. But this portion, if you can see a very kind of a very natural glow. Actually, if you can see the glow this side and this side, it's because of this. So this is just 4 grams, and the packaging is like this. So this is the metallic cap. Once you open it, it's very shiny. You have to twist this golden metal towards your left. Once you twist it, that means you've opened it, and just apply it onto your face like this. It's very powdery, so once you open it, you would see a lot of powders here and there in the air, but it's quite good. I feel that, I don't know if you can make out, but gives you a very natural glow onto your skin. I don't know if you can make out, it's not visible in the camera, but of course you can see these portions. It's because of this face sheer. So I kind of like this product, and I got it just for 200 bucks, and the sponge is so soft and it's so comfortable on the face. And once this product gets finished, you can also use it as a brush, powder brush. You can just dip it on your compact powder, and you can just apply your powder, so you can reuse it. That's how I feel about it. So for 400 rupees 4 gram, I feel the quantity is too less for the price that you're paying. But if you get it at a discount, you can definitely go for it. But if you still don't get a discount, you can try your hands on it, because I feel this product is good. The quality is very good. What matters is the quality. So the quality of this highlighter is super duper good, and the packaging is so damn cute. It's so small, and it would just fit into your purse, in the corner, anywhere. It won't even take much space inside your purse. So I feel this product is really good. This is the name is Lakme face sheer, and the shade I am in is Desert Rose. I think you would get a couple of other shades as well. And this has got very small pigments. It's not chunky glitter particles, but okay, small glitter particles are there, and I feel that it gives you a very natural look. Very good for everyday usage. If you are a beginner and you want a highlighter which would give you a very soft and supple look, you can go for this highlighter. It won't be giving you that blinding effect just like the way the Sugar Palette has given me over here, but it would give you a very natural and decent glow onto your face. So for beginners, for everyday use, this is a great product. You can go for it, guys. But for party use, and if you want a blinding effect, then you can go for the Maybelline Metallic Chrome Highlighter. I also have reviewed that product in my channel. Just search for it, you will find it. So yeah, I do recommend this product to you guys. I love it. I really like it. Great for everyday use, and it doesn't really make your skin that white. It doesn't give a white cast on your face, and nice, really nice. So you can go for it. So that was my review, which is very very positive. I 100% recommend this product to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.